y'all wonder why I don't like going down to Atlanta. See this mess? This is almost noon, okay? This is noon time, and it is still jammed up, packed right here in this little spot. It's ridiculous, just ridiculous. It's crazy. I mean, look at that line up there. Just look at this line. It's like crazy, man. Ah, love it. Not really, but man, that's Atlanta, bro. Welcome to Atlanta. And this is not even like downtown. This is kind of like more outskirts of Atlanta. I got a brand new 2022 MT09 SP sitting here. Yay! Hey, that thing's nice, bro. That thing's nice. There's not a lot of Gen 3s out about in this area. I think it's I think it knows me from Facebook. I'm on Facebook, one of the MT09, the Gen 3 Facebook's groups, and so he's on there too. So alright, we just pulled into my top secret work location. This is government property. This is kind of NSA level, you know what I'm saying? So I can't be showing y'all too much of this stuff. I'll go to jail. But we are in my top secret spot. Okay, you guys are good to join me once again. I am out of my highly secret, top secret building, and we are gonna go back to the house. Hopefully, maybe catch some lunch with their wife, maybe, depending. We'll see. If not, I'm gonna go home. Yeah, I had to come back to my secret workplace, secret location. I had to grab some top secret stuff. It's been declassified, so it's technically okay for me to take it now. So that's going to do for today's little video of me just riding around and doing what I do. I appreciate you guys, and if you haven't subbed yet, go ahead and hit that sub button, hit that like button, help me pass that algorithm, and we'll see you guys here on the next one. Peace out.